Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, a great news. After the success of all our branches, we are coming up with our next branch in Hyderabad. A great news for all the students who actually want to study in Hyderabad and want to get their desired scores. Language Academy is now open in Hyderabad. This is the address, and we are going to make sure that we provide you all the services, all the facilities, same mock test room, same exam like environment in the lab practice room, so that you can get your desired scores in the very first go without wasting your time and money. Language Academy is now in Hyderabad, plus we are offering 50% off for first 50 students. Admissions are open, classes have started. This is the address, this is the number. Give us a call, book your slot. You can start anytime later as well. This is a not to miss offer, and Hyderabad, we are going to make sure we help you get your desired scores in PT without wasting time and money. Language Academy is now in Hyderabad. Come visit us, attend a trial class, and crack your PT test in the very first go. Same environment as we have in other branches, which will help you crack your PT test in the very first go. I'll see you soon. Give us a call, send us a message, and LA Hyderabad is going to rock, and we are going to give a lot of results in PTE.